চলবে না, মোজ দেখা যায়।
Not a Rubik's Cube.
Hello good people to Dubai. Today's video is not so special. My nephew Nishaj has been asking for a long time to shoot a video while I'm solving Rubik's Cube.
Oh, my Rubik's Cube.
So today I'm gonna solve Rubik's Cube in my video.
I would love to solve this.
I hope you guys gonna like this video. If you are not interested about Rubik's Cube, you may skip this video.
Let's do it!
So let's get started. So first of all, I'm gonna disorganize this beautiful organized Rubik's Cube.
I want to see! Solve this.
So here you go. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video. Till then, stay happy and keep the people around you happy. Ciao ciao, até mais. Hello guys, solve a Rubik's Cube.
Thank you very much.
You know about Rubik's and the deep and you bring good about Rubik's and the deep and you bring good you can roll it in the